In today's video, I will teach you top 5 tips for editing photos in Lightroom. Let's get started. First is using the white balance selector. White balance issues can significantly affect the coloring of your photo, making editing more challenging. Lightroom's white balance selector tool simplifies the process of correcting white balance. To do this, navigate to the Develop tab, then click the eyedropper icon in the Basic panel. Then click on the whitest part of your image, and Lightroom will adjust the white balance accordingly. Then adjust the temperature and tint sliders if necessary to perfect the white balance. The second tip is enable clipping warnings within the histogram. Clipping occurs when details are lost in shadows or highlights. Enabling clipping warnings can help you avoid losing important details. And to do this, open the histogram. It should be found at the top of the Develop panel. And to enable clipping warnings, click on the left or shadows and the right or highlights boxes in the corners of the histogram. The red areas indicate the overexposed highlights, and the blue areas indicate the underexposed shadows. Now use the Basic panel's exposure sliders to refine the shadows, highlights, blacks, and whites. To disable clipping warnings, click the boxes again. The third tip is utilizing the tone curve for creative contrast. The tone curve offers precise control over contrast and exposure, allowing for creative adjustments. The tone curve is found in the Develop panel. Now choose the parametric curve and use the region sliders for controlled adjustments. Then move the sliders to increase or decrease the contrast. Then use the individual color channels like the blue curve for targeted color adjustments. For example, to reduce excessive blue in shadows, adjust the blue curve towards yellow. The fourth tip is recovering details in the sky using the luminance sliders. Recovering details in overexposed skies can be tricky, but the luminance sliders can help. To do this, go to the Develop module and open the HSL or Color tab. Then adjust the luminance by moving the blue and aqua sliders to the left to darken and recover sky details. Then adjust the sliders until the desired detail is restored. For example, darkening the blue luminance slider can bring back lost details and blown out skies. And the last tip is to add hints of color to your black and white edits. Adding a subtle color to your black and white photos can enhance visual interest and create a unique look. In the Basic panel, select the black and white option. Then modify the strength of different hues to influence areas of the photos. Then use the tone curve to select a color channel and adjust the line to add a slight color tint. Adding a hint of blue to a black and white image can create a cooler and more stylized effect. By following these steps, you can elevate your photo editing skills in Lightroom, creating images with improved color accuracy, contrast, and creative flair. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.